Hi everybody and welcome to Stansted Airport. If you are looking to fly from Stansted, then this video is for you. During the video I will take you on a guided tour of the airport. I'll show you all the relevant points of interest. I'll show you how to get to the check-in gates. I'll show you where security is. I'll show you what's available before security. And I'll show you what's available in duty-free and the eating options that are available for you. So as you come into the airport, this is the arrivals and departures area. Then this area in front of us here is the quick drop-off. At the time of filming, there is a charge of £7 for up to 15 minutes to drop someone off or to pick them up from that part of the arrivals. And further in the distance is your long stay car parks, and the short stay car parks are literally just through there. Just take you inside. I'll show you where the check-in gates are first if you haven't checked in online. And I'll also show you, as I said, what's available before you go through security. Stansted is one of 6 major airports serving London and is 36 miles from the capital. So if you are using a smaller airline, such as, I don't know, Royal Jordanian, for example, not Jet2 like that all is over there, as you come in and turn left, there is check-in information on there, and that will display your gate and times. The gates are open and where the actual, not the gates, where the desks actually are. So Girona, for example, check-in is in gate 33 or 47. So, this end, you've got a couple of money changing facilities. And your shops and coffee places, before you go through security, are actually down this end. You've got meeting points, as you can see there, right throughout. And if you do need assistance at this airport, then that is literally there. You go and check in at the assistance area there. If you need a wheelchair access, that's all dealt with there for you. You've also got an information desk there. Along by the information desks, you've got facilities to buy coach tickets, so National Express if you're looking to go by coach into London, and other direct buses into London from there, as you can see. That's where Emirates tends to be. Whenever I've flown from Stansted, it always seems to be in the same place. A taxi facility there. You've got the usual WH Smiths. What we walk into now is arrivals. So this is where you'll be coming out when you land back at Stansted. So as you can see, the options that are available here for you. M&S Food, Leon, Boots for your sandwiches and wraps, etc. Costa and Burger King. That's what it's down. It's in. Take you up now and show you how you get to security. And then once you're through security, as I mentioned earlier, I'll take you on a little guided tour of duty free, what's on offer there, and what food is available for you. It's quite extensive at Stansted, and as far as I'm aware, the main duty free opens at 3 AM in the morning. The Wetherspoons pub, I think, is either 3:30 or 4 o'clock. You'd have to check that one online. Most of the other shops open around about the 4 o'clock mark. So it's another view of assistance. As it says on there, right in front of us, check-in, security departures, shops, and assistance. We've also got fast track for security, which is a slightly different area. This is Ryanair's, one of the Ryanair's main hubs. As you can see, it's a huge check-in area for Ryanair. So if you have assistance, then you normally get access fast track through that way. If you've got wheelchair access, etc., or you've got fast track for security anyway. Otherwise, that takes you through to the security check and then through to duty free. Obviously I can't film here, but it just gives you an idea as to where we are and the fast track area available. And I will see you on the other side. Okay, so through security, which is literally in front of us there, behind those white partition walls. Just an FYI, Stansted have just started the new process that all electricals and liquids stay in your bag. You've also got to put your phone and your watch in your bag, hand luggage as well, but nothing else goes separately. It all goes in your hand luggage and goes through the security scanners that way, so you haven't got to worry about taking liquids out, etc. So as you can see, a little bit of renovation going on from where we are. But this takes us into where the lounges are and the duty free. As I say, the main duty free shop, which is what you're looking at now, opens at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to go in and look at individual things, obviously, because we'll be here all day. But suffice to say, it covers all the usual things you'll be looking to buy in duty free: perfumes, tobacco, alcohol, cosmetics, Lego, all sorts of stuff. So we do have special deals on at times as well. So the duty free here seems to snake right through this part of the building. You've got all your usual participants here: Lancôme, Clarins, Chanel, Boss. My wife and daughter absolutely love this duty free in Stansted. I think it's their favourite one because it has got, as you can see, a massive selection. You could be here forever before you even get on your flight. A lot of the things within duty free are self-service now. We've got a number of WH Smiths dotted around for books, sandwiches, usual stuff you really want to take on the flight. Also got a number of departure boards dotted around as well. So if you are leaving the UK after a holiday visit, chance to get some last minute souvenirs. See, it's quite an extensive duty free area. With the Lego, but you've got the huge Titanic, etc. there. You can actually, if you're going on holiday, you can actually buy it to pick up on arrival. So you haven't got to worry about lugging it on holiday. You can just buy it here and pick it up when you come back. The Camden, I think this opens at 3:30. You've got the retail shop there. I'll show you the menu on there, so you can have an idea of the menu and prices. Camden, we'll have a look at their menus as well. Play menu. All-day brunch and poolside cafe. What do they do?
Sunshine.
You come into like a big horseshoe, which is near where you go for the gates. I have a bar and kitchen here. Burger King. Not going to show you their menu. I think you're familiar with Burger King. Other duty free. Nero. Another Pret. This is the Wetherspoons. I think this opens at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'll take you over there and show you. Actually, first we'll have a look at what's on offer here. So, Italian kitchen. It says there, dishes served within 10 minutes. We've got the Lebanese menu. I won't push through these people to show you the menu there. I've eaten breakfast and lunch at the Windmill, which is the Wetherspoons, quite regularly. It's always really quick service. It's self-service for refills for tea, coffee, etc. The service is always really prompt and the food quality is pretty good. So I'll just show you again what their menu is here. And then off to your gates. So gates 81 to 93 is a walkway round the back. Gates 40 to 59 is a walkway that way. And if you've got gates 1 to 39, then as you can see in front there, you've got a 2-stop shuttle service which runs basically every couple of minutes, as you can see. And that just takes you down to whatever your announced gate is. So I hope you found that interesting and more importantly useful if you're travelling from Stansted. If you've got any questions, then please do ask in the comments below and I'll undertake to answer any questions you've got within 24 hours. If you've enjoyed the content, please give me a thumbs up like, because that would really help my channel. And please do consider subscribing if you've enjoyed the content. I've done reviews of a number of other airports in the UK and abroad, so please do check those out on the channel if it's an airport you're travelling from. And I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.